Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today is part 2 of my Valentine's Day wig. I found another wig that I think will be great for Valentine's Day. Hopefully it's not too late. You guys still have about a few days until Valentine's Day, so if you want to get this wig, I suggest you buy it right after this video. Do rush shipping so that you can get it in time for Valentine's Day. The wig that I'm going to be installing today, and it is by ZURY SIS. It's their 360 hand-tied hair all around messy updo ponytail. It's HD lace. You can put it up to 400 degrees as far as heat. The style is 360 LINA and the color is Pink Bomb. It also has a lot of different colors. There's a 1, a 1B, a 2, a red, a blue, a butterscotch, a red sky. Lots of other different colors if you are not interested in buying this one. I'm just gonna open it up. It comes in this really small little box. Ooh, okay, ciao. Sniffling. I'm not on coke. It's giving coke. I'm not on coke. My nose is just sniffling because it always sniffling, child. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the front. Oops. Wait, is this? Wait, this is the front. Yeah, because the lace is in the front, and it has lace in the back too, and you can see like it has the curls. It's cute. This is how it looks on the card. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm excited to try this on because you guys know I live for like a updo. I don't even want to like unravel it because the updo is actually nice. Like it's not. Damn, I don't even want to. I gotta see how I'm gonna do this, child. It has 2 small clips in the front, and it has a large clip in the back. It also has lace in the back. It comes with lace in the back, and it comes with the normal wig straps that every lace wig comes with. Okay. Yeah. This is the wig, y'all. Number 1, she don't fit me. Okay. My head's big, and she don't fit me like that. That's number 1. She feels really snug. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. The little updo is really cute. It's just, it's a lot going on. Like I would have to, it's a whole bunch of baby hairs. First of all, it comes with baby hairs, so it's a whole bunch of baby hairs around the hairline. And I would have to tint this lace because it's, I mean, it is like an HD, but I would have to obviously tint it and, you know, put some glue, etc., etc. Okay, so this is how it looks from the back when it's not, I didn't glue it down or anything. This is how it looks. Go right ahead and just start installing this wig the best way I know how, and y'all just watch because I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's just get right into it.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed, cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn, cause baby I got you. Here's to new beginnings and a better life. Here's to dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. But I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you.
This is the final result, you guys. I tried my best. This little strand has been bothering me. Like, I don't know if I straightened it too much, but it's not like, it's not in the curl like this one. I wanted this curl to be exactly like this one, but it didn't come out like that. It's still curled nonetheless. You know, I put a little product on it and I curled it so it can stay in a curl motion. So that's that. This one is really curled nicely. The top came out really nice. I like the curls. I let 2 curls down like this, and I put in these little pins that I got from eBay. It's just like this. It looks like this, and you kind of just like push it inside of the bun like that, so it holds all the hair up in that motion. I think this wig is really pretty the way I did it. I mean, I feel like if you wear it how it looks outside of the packaging, it's gonna look very weird. I was able to slick it down and glue it down. Let me kind of zoom back a little bit. I was able to slick it down on the sides. You can see the edges and everything like that. I think it came out pretty good. I do like the hair. It is pretty. It's very Valentine's Day-esque, very pink, very, very cute pinup look. Okay, so this is how it looks from the back. I don't know if tracks are showing. I don't know what's going on from the back. Like somebody in my last video said, it's none of my business what the back look like, but this is how the back is looking. But yeah, this is how it came out, you guys. Let me know below what you think. I think it's very cute for Valentine's Day. Yeah. But I will see you guys in the next video. That is all for this video. Let me know what you think about how it came out, how it looks, if you like it, if you don't like it. Leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.